So what I've got here is my Bambu AMS, and I have some filament stuck in the route between here and out, and we're going to take care of that, just so everybody sees how it's done. These are all my dryer pieces. Printed these to put silica in. Now, I'm gonna get our Allen wrenches out. Should be the smallest one. Once those are loose, then you want to release the hose by pressing down this tab back here. Sometimes you got to press pretty good. And remove the PTFE tube there. And then we're ready to roll this up carefully. Don't get aggressive with it. There's two wires down here that have to get unplugged here, this one, and you don't want to break the little board, so you got to be real gentle. Just kind of pull them up like that. And then remember, you're going to have these two screws here that you loosen that are going to try and pop out. I always just leave them in the box so I don't lose them. But then we're going to disconnect our number 1 slot, and there's the filament right there. Voila. And it's fixed. And we put it back together. Same way we took it apart. Set these screws aside for a minute. You gotta be gentle plugging these things back in. Again, you don't want to break the little tabs off the board doing this. But if you take your time and just do it gently, it's not hard at all. Drop it back down in there. Put our screws back in their holes. And they don't have to be super tight. You just want to run them down until they're snug, because you'll take these in and out several times over the time you have your printer. This happens occasionally because filament's old or dry or too tight. Any number of things make them brittle. Different kinds of filament will get stuck. I use a lot of Creality filaments and Sunlu filaments and others. But this one's Calm Grow because they fit well in the box and work well. This one is Inland, which is, you know, pretty decent filament, but they're cheaper than the Bambu ones. I love the Bambu filament, it's just more expensive. Boom, and it's ready to go back on the printer. Just let it run a quick little test print. Make sure everything's up to snuff, that there's no other problems. Well, folks, that's it for this week's video. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you did. I upload new videos each week, so come and check out my page. And thanks again for watching.